What's up, YouTube? I feel like it's Christmas again. Got some new car parts for, guess what? I love it.
How much? Again.
It was free.
Whatever.
They gave it to me. Alright guys, let's get it ready for install. Alright guys, so as you guys know, hood came in. So carbon fiber hood, about to start putting it on. And I'm gonna start by removing the stock one off of here, transferring all the pieces over here, and making sure just everything fits, everything's lining up pretty good. It's up. Alright guys, so I ran into an issue here. They actually put epoxy over the holes, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a tool. I'll show you guys. See, so I gotta open them, clean them all up and open them up, just so I can get access to put the screw in. So luckily I have this tool right here, the Dremel. So I'll attach one of these tips. I'm gonna try to see which one works better, either this one to eat up the epoxy, or the resin, or this one. So we'll see which one works best. And I don't want to damage the actual hole, so we'll see which one works better. Try it out. And this hood is actually carbon creation, so let's see. God, this is very poor quality right here. This should not be an issue at all. You should just get the hood ready to put on. Stop, I would have had to go get a tap and re-tap these holes. Alright, well, that's good. Let me do all the rest of them. Alright guys, so I finally cleaned everything up. This Dremel worked amazing with that tip right there. I don't know if you guys can see it real good. It eats up everything. So cleaned up all the holes really good. See, there it goes. Alright, and in case I didn't show y'all, this is the part number on the hood, the one I got. So if you guys get one of these, y'all expect to do this. So anyways, got it done already. About to start mounting it up. And so I'll mount it up first to these, and then go from there, and then I'll attach the latches to it. So right into the issue. I mean, what do you expect with all these carbon parts? So I got these two to line up. You see they're actually like angled, all crooked and stuff anyways. And that one I can't get it to line up. You see how off it is? So I might have to shave down a bit of the bracket itself. Just waller it out a little bit, come down, just to be able to get it in and secure it in place. So let's see. I actually opened up the hole with this. This worked out pretty good. So now I'm actually able to put it on. Put these on also. This should actually help me line it up as well, so we will see. Alright guys, so I ran into some issues, but I think I finally adjusted this hood. These do not have any adjustment, alright, whatsoever. So I actually adjusted it from there. From here, after I watered these out, it didn't help, so that would be your best bet. Adjust them from there first. Yeah, these four right here, the hinges. Adjust that and then use these as last resort. So Rosie, get in. All right, so now I'm actually gonna make the cutouts for these, which are gonna go here. So I'm about to go get a pack of ketchup, place it here, bring the hood down and see where it lines up. All right, that's how you do it right here. Put a little bit of dab of ketchup here. All right. Right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Close it. Let's see where it lands. All right. Yeah. Bring it up. Voila. That's how you get the markings on there. You see? Yeah. So let me cut those holes with the Dremel. All right, so actually I cut it with little cutting disc first, and then I'm gonna clean it up with this right here. So I mean, it looks pretty decent. But once I clean it up, it'll look a lot better. There's the one. There's the other on that side. Yep. Go ahead and clean them up. Alright guys, man, this has been a struggle. I have been having so many problems with this hood. I actually had to put some spacers here because this was actually sitting too far down. The way it's curved, it's more curved here in the center than it is over here, and so no matter how I adjust it, I'm either too low over there, I'm rubbing over there, or too high up here, or too low, and it's so hectic, man. It's really pissed me off. And I got a little bit of gap here whenever I shed it, and then I had to adjust these as well, the latches. So because this was just sitting too low, the hood, and it would hit here, so it's just so many issues. I would not buy this hood if I knew it was gonna put me through so many issues. But anyways, it's here. We'll make the best of it. Let's try it out. And it's pretty much there, see? So now it's sitting too high. You have to adjust it just to close it, which sucks. Okay, close good. See how I got the gap there? I hate that, pisses me off here too. So I'm gonna maybe adjust my these front fenders to kind of close up the gap as much as I can. But up here is good, and kind of sticks up a little bit. But see, I don't know if you guys can see the gap there. So I might have to adjust the. See, this one's really bad. Might have to play with the fenders and kind of line it up as best as I can, and just go from there. But I think I can get it. I just need a little more time. But it's there. I might have to loosen that latch up a little bit more. But maybe it's good, as long as it's got some play. But that's it, man. It's the installation, the hood. It's so much fun. But I got it on there, and those gaps kind of bother me, but I'll mess with the fenders and get it all lined up, get it all nice and cleaned up pretty good, hopefully. We'll see. But hope you guys enjoyed, and hope this helps some people out there trying to go this route. So catch you guys on the next one.